Hi everyone, I just have a quick video here today. I promised you guys once I got my porch finished that I would show you how this whole process here went. Uh, this tiered planter I picked up at Aldi's. I got it home and I filled it up with dirt and stuff, and I just did not like the color. It just doesn't match anything else I have. So I ordered some spray paint. It is a multicolored textured spray paint, and it's like more like a cement color. I can't remember exactly what the color's called, but that is what it looks like now with all of my Dollar Tree. I just stuffed everything in there I could find. I just thought it was so pretty, and I got that big pumpkin there at Dollar Tree in the plus section that I put on top of it, and I just love it. So now I'm happy. It matches better. And then there's that autumn greeting sign. I actually did spray paint that with a clear coat just because it's going to be outside. It's on a covered porch, so it should be fine anyway. And then my husband picked me up this lovely big pumpkin to go with this. And there is that Hello Pumpkin rug that was in the plus section. I think that was $5 at Dollar Tree. I love that. I think it's so pretty. And then the plaid one I ordered on Amazon. They have them in all different colors. I think I want to get another one that's like red and black for Christmas. I just think they're just really nice. It just sets everything off. There's another big pumpkin that my husband picked up at the store while he was out. Now, this welcome sign I actually ordered on Amazon. I can't remember how much it was, but they didn't have any at Dollar Tree. It was all Halloween stuff. And I also got that and sprayed that with a clear coat. That is my little centerpiece that I made in a video the one day. Figured I'd put that out there on one of my little tables. Now these tables I have to laugh because I ordered these. They were on clearance at Walmart or on sale for, the end of year sale. And they were like end tables, but for your chair. But let me tell you what, they're like, they're the tiny, you can see by that little pumpkin. Anyway, there's my wreath that I had made in a video a few weeks ago. I absolutely love it. It was a really easy one too. And that is also the hanger there is from Dollar Tree that has little sunflowers on top. And that's kind of how it all looks all put together there. There's another picture of that. And then I did get some hanging plants. I bought these hanging plants on Amazon too. They are so pretty. It comes with the planter, it comes with this filler in there, it comes with the flowers, and it's just so, so pretty. And there is my favorite picture. You guys know, if you watch my daughter's channel, that's her granddaughter, my great-granddaughter, that's Avery. She's getting so big already, but I figured I had to pop that on there because she's just so darn cute. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys all next time.